Namaste. I'm Rosalie and welcome to this short meditation you can do anywhere, at any time. Settle into a comfortable shape, whether that's sitting or standing, and allow your eyes to blink closed. Now take a big inhale, bringing your shoulders up. Exhale, release the shoulders, sighing it out. And again, big inhale. And exhale. One more big inhale. Side out. Now allow your lips to come together and let the breath settle into its natural rhythm. Let go of any sense of rushing or busyness. Let any momentum from your day just wash away. Allow any tension to melt away from your forehead, your eyes, and all the little muscles around your eyes. Releasing the jaw and the shoulders, melting down. The whole body softening and releasing. Now soften the muscle of your mind like you're unfurling a clenched fist. The mind spacious, relaxed, free. Resting back into this feeling of spaciousness and clarity for a few more breaths. Take a moment to notice any shifts, any benefits you might have cultivated within yourself during this short practice. And might you set an intention to carry any of these benefits with you into the rest of your day. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Once again, my name is Rosalie and I release a new video every week. So if you like this video, I'd be grateful if you consider subscribing to my channel. And please come back to this practice anytime you need a short, powerful reset. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.